Kita memasuki paruh akhir Sapa Indonesia Pagi. Saudara, Presiden Prabowo menjadi salah satu pemimpin negara yang berpidato di konferensi tingkat tinggi PBB untuk penyelesaian damai masalah Palestina. Dalam pidatonya, Presiden Prabowo menekankan kembali bahwa Indonesia mendukung negara Palestina dan solusi dua negara untuk perdamaian di wilayah Palestina dan Israel. Usai pidato di konferensi tingkat tinggi PBB untuk penyelesaian damai masalah Palestina, Presiden Prabowo akan berpidato pada sesi debat umum sidang Majelis Umum ke-80 Perserikatan Bangsa-Bangsa di markas besar PBB New York. Pidato Presiden Prabowo berlangsung Selasa pukul 9 pagi waktu setempat atau Selasa malam pukul 20 waktu Indonesia Barat. Sidang Majelis Umum tahun ini dipandang sebagai momentum penting bagi Indonesia untuk kembali menegaskan peran aktifnya di forum multilateral tertinggi dunia.
The ongoing unbearable tragedy in Gaza. Thousands of innocent lives, many of them women and children, have been killed. Famine looms. Human catastrophe is unfolding with our eyes. We condemn all acts of violence against innocent civilians. Therefore, it is today with dignity that we gather to take our historical responsibility. This responsibility speaks not only to the fate of Palestine, but also to the future of Israel, and also the very credibility of the United Nations. We condemn all violence against innocent civilians. Therefore, Indonesia once again reiterates its commitment to the two-state solution in the Palestine problem. Only this two-state solution will lead to peace. We must guarantee statehood for Palestine, but Indonesia also declares that once Israel recognizes the independence and the statehood of Palestine, Indonesia will immediately recognize the state of Israel, and we will support all guarantees for the security of Israel.